Hey Murica, this is Troy with Murica's Garage. The garage is messy. It's messy, but the car body is down on blocks, back on the frame. I'm going to have to get you a video this week in order to keep you happy and keep you progressed. So what I filmed earlier is going to be the welding I did. I put some spacers where I had to make modifications to the brake system. The modifications I made by welding is to take into account the calipers are off a newer model, not a 1969, but a newer model brake system from Cadillac or Buicks. It moves the cable. The next time I do a rear differential and build it, I'm gonna put those those Corvette calipers on, and I'll weld them in the different place on the bracket. I need to get this video done for you so you have something for this weekend. I've got to work a double and triple shift. Okay, Murica, this is what I'm doing, and I'll show you here in a minute. So I've got these 1-inch spacers. I've got to weld them together. I've got an extra bolt, spare bolt that I've had for a bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean up the insides a little bit, put these two on here, weld it together, and then I got to weld this to the frame for my new brake cables because of the customized rear disc brakes. Hey everybody, Murica Garage here. It is a half-weight program, and what we're going to do is tell you about the video you're about to see, and it's hyperlapse. We set the body down on the 69, set it down in the frame, made a boo-boo. See if you catch it in the video. I was lucky, very lucky. Well. Today is September 11th, so we're preparing for the midweek or our mid-episode and just give you an update on what's going on. I'd like to tell you that on Monday we're going to be ordering parts for that convertible we talked about in episode 1. That car will be here a week from this Saturday, so we'll bring that convertible in. Nikita and I will spend a day working on it. We'll probably hyperlapse it, talk about a few things. By the magic of editing, here we go.